What's going on, guys? In this video I would like to solve some trigonometric question and trying to entertain you. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So let's start with the first question right here. So the first question is asking convert from degrees to radians. So it's really simple. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we go. The first question is asking 60 degrees. So 60 degrees to convert any things to radians, we have to multiply by 5 by 1 over 80. So if we multiply by 5 by 1 over 80, 60 180 cancels 3. So answer is going to be 5 by 5 over 3. And the next question is asking what is the 150 degree. So 150 multiplied by 5 over 180, it's going to be 33 into 5, 3 into 6. So therefore 5 by over 6. And the next one is asking what is the 180. So 180 means it's easy, really easy. 5 over 180 multiplied by 180 is going to give us 5. So that's easy. And the next one is going to be what? 210. So to find the 210 multiplied by 5 by 1 over 80, and it's going to be 3 into 7, 7, and 3 into 6, 7, 5 by 6, right? And the next one is asking minus 135. So minus 135 means minus 135 times 5 by 1 over 80, 5 by 1 over 80. So 45 times 3 is 135, and minus 3, 45 times 4 is 180, so minus 3 by 5, 4. And next one is asking what is 240. 240 multiplied by 5 by 180, 180. So we can say 6 times 3 is 180, and 6 times 4 is 240. So 4 5 by 3. And the next one is asking what is 360. That's really easy. 360 multiplied by 5 by 180 is going to be 180 times 2 is 360, so 25. And the next one is asking minus 330. Minus 330 times 5 by 1 over 80. 5 by 1 over 80 means 3 times 30 times 6 is going to be 180, and 30 times 11 is going to be minus 330. So minus 11, 5 over 6 is answer. That's all it is. And then let's move to the next question. Converts radians to degree. So let's see. The first question is asking 5 by 6. So 5 is equal to 180 degree. 180 by 6 is what? 30 degree. So that's the first one. And second is 150. Sorry, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 180 over 2. It's going to be 90 degree. 90 degree. And the third one is 2 5 by 3. 2 5 by 3 means 2 times 180 over 3. 2 times 180 over 3, which is going to give us what? 120 degree. And the next one is asking 3 5 by 4. 3 times 5 by 4, which is equal to what? 3 times 180 over 4. So which is going to be equal to 4 divide 45 and 135. 135 degree. And the next one is asking 5 5 by 6. So 5 5 by 6, which is going to be what? 5 times 180 over 6, which is going to be 6 times 30, and 3 times 30, 5 times 30 is going to be 150 degree. And the next one is asking what? 5. Is it 5? So it's 5 is just 180 degree. 5 is equal to 180 degree. And the next one is saying 3 5 by 2. 3 5 by 2, it means 3 times 180 divided by 2, which is equal to 290. It's 270 degree. 270 degree. And the next one is asking what? 2 5. 2 5 means 2 times 180. It's gonna be 360 degree. That's all it is. And let's move to the next question. Next question asking find exact value of 6 trigonometry ratio for the angle whose radius is given. So first they have given the 13 pi over 6. 13 pi over 6. In this case we have to find sine, cos, tan, cos x, sec and cot. So first let's calculate the angle first. 13 times 180 over 6, which means 6 times 30 is going to be this number, and 30 times 3 is 390, 39, 390 degree. So 390 degree is our degree. So in this case we are going to draw the graph right here. So 360 is one round and 30. So if it's like that, we treat this as 30 degree. So in 30 degree, as you know already, sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 over 2. 1 is opposite and 2 is hypotenuse. From this one we can find the adjacent is root 3 using Pythagorean theorem, right? So it's really simple. And so let's find all the values here. So sine theta is going to be what? Sine 13 pi over 6 is going to be 13 pi over 6 is going to be 1 over 2, and cos 13 pi over 6 is going to be and all are going to be positive because it's in the first quadrant. So cos 13 pi over 6 is going to be root 3 by 2, and tan 13 pi over 6 is going to be what? 6 is going to be equal to 1 over root 3, and sec is going to be reciprocal of cosine theta, so therefore sec is going to be 2 over root 3, and cosec is going to be reciprocal of sine theta, therefore it's going to be equal to what? 2 over root 3. Cosec is going to be reciprocal of sine theta, therefore it's 2, and cot is going to be reciprocal of tan theta, therefore it's going to be root 3. And the next one is next question is asking what is 10 pi over 3, and to find that one, 10 times 180 over 3. So 3 times 6 is equal to this one, and 600 is our degree. 600 degree. 600 means we have to go all the way one round. So 360 we need what? How many more? 240. 240 means we have to pass through this line right here and 60 more degrees. So in this case it's going to be equal to 60 degrees, and we are going to treat this as a 60 degree. But we shouldn't forget, guys, we shouldn't forget this one: old silver teacup, or old student take calculus. Whatever the way you want to remember, you can remember it. So in this case, don't forget, guys, that only tan is going to be positive, every other things is going to be negative. So like that. So as you remember, if you remember this, in this case sine 60 is going to be what? Root 3 by 2. So in this case root 3 is going to be in the opposite side, negative root 3, and root 3 by 2 mean hypotenuse is 2, and half sine cos 60 is going to be half, negative half in this case. So first let's write all the values. Sine what is that? 10 pi over 3. Okay, sine 10 pi over 3 it's going to be negative half, and cos 10 pi over 3 it's going to be negative root 3 by 2. And tan 10 pi over 3 is going to be equal to what? This one over this one is going to be 1 over root 3. It's going to be positive, and cosec is going to be reciprocal of sine, so minus 2, and sec is going to be reciprocal of cos, it's going to be minus 2 over root 3, and cot is going to be reciprocal of tan, it's going to be root 3. So let's move to the third question. Third question is giving 13 pi over 2. So 13 pi over 2, 13 times 180 divided by 2. So which is equal to 13 times 90. 13 times 9, what? 130 minus 13 is going to be 130, 117, so 1170. So 1170 is going to be the angle. 110 mean 360, 720, 360, 720, and 180, 180 plus 90. So which means 3 rotation, 360, 720, 180, 3 rotation. After that 180, 170, 180 plus 90. So 90 degrees the angle. So we treat it as exactly as 90 degree. So as you know, this sine 90 is what? 1. So we shouldn't be like 90. We should write 35 over 2. 13 pi by 2. Sine 13 pi by 2 is equal to 1. Cos 13 pi by 2 is equal to what? Equal to 0. And tan is going to be 1 over 0. It's going to be undefined, because when you divide something by 0, it's going to be undefined, right? So that's why we call it undefined. And cosec is going to be what? Reciprocal of sine theta, 1 over 1, 1. And sec is going to be reciprocal of cos theta, which is going to be 0 over 1. No, 1 over 0. 1 over 0 undefined again. Undefined again. And in this case cot is going to be equal to 0 over 1, 0. So when you divide anything by 0, it's 0. any number by, you divide 0 by any number, it's going to be 0, right? That's how it works. Let's move to the next question. So our next question is saying 31 pi over 4. So 31 times 180 over 4. So 4 mean this is 45 degree, and 31 times 45 is equal to what? 31 times 45, it's like 45 times 30 is gonna be 1350 plus 45 is gonna be 1350 plus 45 is gonna be 1395. So 1395. 1395. So 13595 is the biggest number. Mean we have to multiply the 360. Let's see how many 360 comes here. So 360, 720, 1080, 1080 plus 360 is what? It's gonna be 1080, 360 is gonna be 1140, 1140 plus 300 is 104,000. 1460. So 1460, this is 1395. It means it is less by how many? 65 degree. 65 degree. It's impossible like that. Okay, let's calculate again. So 360, 720, 1080. 1080 plus 60 is going to be 1140. 1140 plus 300 is going to be 1440. Okay, 1440. 1440. Okay, 45 degree less than. Okay, now I got it. Okay, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 3 circle, and the fourth circle. It doesn't need a circle, it just stopped by 45. So it's gonna be equal to 315 degree. It means we treat it as a 315 degree. So in 315 degree, what this is in the fourth quadrant, right? So we have to remember whole silver teacup right here. Whole silver teacup mean in this quadrant only cos is going to be positive. So it means all the others except cos is going to be negative. So let's find the values right here. As you know already, if it's sine 45, it's 1 over root 2. So in this case, uh, sine is negative, right? So opposite side is going to be negative, negative 1, and root 2 is the hypotenuse, so we don't have to worry about that. And in this case, adjacent is going to be positive because cos is positive. So therefore adjacent is going to be positive. Let's find all the values right here. So sine 31 5/4. Sine 31 5/4 is going to be equal to what? Negative 1 over root 2. And cos 31 5/2, the 5/4 is going to be equal to 1 over root 2. And tan is going to be negative 1. Because tan is going to be equal to sine over cos, therefore tan is equal to negative 1, and sec is going to be reciprocal of cosine theta, therefore root 2, and cosec is going to be reciprocal of sine theta, therefore negative root 2, and cot theta is going to be reciprocal of tan theta, therefore it's negative 1, and that's all it is. And the last one, let's go to the last one. 19 pi/4. 19 pi/4. So it's equal to 19 times 180 over 4. So 180 over 4 is what? 45 degree. 45 times 19 is equal to, let's say 45 times 20 is equal to, as you know, it's 900. 900 minus 45 is going to be 855. So 855 degrees is the answer. So let's see what happened at 850. So 360 is going to be 720. 720 plus how many is going to be 855? 720 plus 35, 135 is going to be 855. So therefore, we are going to draw the graph right here. So one circle is 360, two circle is 720, and one more 135. So 135 is going to be in which quadrant? It's going to be in the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, as you have to remember already, old silver teacup. You have to remember the old silver teacup. Old silver teacup. So in the second quadrant, sine is going to be positive. So in this case, sine is positive and the angle is 45 degree. 135 mean the angle that makes with the x-axis is going to be 45 degree. So as you know already, sine 45 is equal to 1 over root 2. So 1 is going to be opposite side and root 2, and sine is positive, we don't have to worry about the sine. But cosine theta is negative in this case. But cosine 45 is equal to what? 1 over root 2. But in this case, cosine is negative, therefore the adjacent should be negative, so it's negative 1. And let's see. So sine 19/4. Sine 19/4 is going to be 19/4 is going to be sine 45, exactly same thing, 1 over root 2, and the cosine 19/4 is going to be what? Negative 1 over root 2, and tan is going to be what? Negative 1. And sec is going to be reciprocal of cos, therefore negative root 2, and cosec is going to be reciprocal of sine, therefore root 2, and cot is going to be reciprocal of tan, therefore 1. So we found all the values. So I think you guys had enough. This is enough for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you next time.